Hello students, good morning everyone. Today we will learn about the preposition unit 9. So before we start our lesson, we will know what is preposition. Preposition is a word that is used to link with a noun or pronoun with the other words in the sentence. Okay. Here link means it provides relationship between noun and other words in any kind of sentence, and then it makes the sentence complete. So you will have again another doubt. Maybe you may be thinking, what is the other words? Other word means it can be noun, verb or adjective in a sentence. So let us understand with an example. Example we will see. First example we will see here. The book is in the box. You see, the book is in the box. Here, this in is used to link the box with the book. This is the noun book. And if we do not use this, in here and write the same sentence, then you write how it sounds. The book is the table. Okay, the book is the table. Then here we are not able to get what is the relation between this book and box. Therefore, by using this in here, we are confirmed that the book is in the box. Isn't it? Yes. Therefore, in is called preposition. And students, here we will learn about the two types of preposition, that is preposition of place and preposition of time. So preposition of place are the words like in, on, under, near, beside, above, in front of, by, with, behind are used to show relations in which one person or thing stands to another person or thing in different sentence. Therefore, these words are called prepositions of place. And these prepositions are used in a sentence before the noun or pronoun. Okay. So all of you read once again these examples. The book is on the box. Where is the book? The book is on the box. The book is under the box. The book is under the box. The book is near the box. The book is near the box. The book is beside the box. The book is just beside the box. The book is in front of the box. The book is kept where? The book is kept in front of the box. The book is behind the box. Where is the book? Book is just behind the box. The book is between the box, and this book is kept between the box and chair. Okay. So all these words are called preposition of place. Okay. So now you see another examples are given here. He sat by me. The sky is above us. I shall go with you. The dog walked behind him. She sat beside me. All these words like by, above, with, behind, beside, and whatever words we saw in above examples, all these are called preposition of place. Once again you see definition is given here. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show the relation in which one person or thing stands to another person or thing. Okay. So I will tell you the definition of preposition of time. What is preposition of time? The words like at, on, by, from, to, and until tell us the exact time. When the words like at, on, by, from, to, and until, all these words, when they tell us about the exact time when an action or event happens or takes place, then therefore these words are called prepositions of time. Example we see here. The music class starts at 10 a.m. This 10 a.m. is in relation with music by adding this at. If there is no at, then there is no connection between this 10 a.m. and music. You see, you remove this at and write the same sentence once again. The music class starts 10 a.m. It doesn't sound well. Therefore, before writing 10 a.m., we have to write at 10 a.m. Therefore, it shows the time. Did you understand? Okay. Another example you see. We went to the zoo on Sunday. When did we go to zoo? On Sunday. We have to finish my homework by 8 p.m. By 8 p.m. I must finish my homework. The boys play in the park from 4:30 to 6 p.m. Okay. From which time to which time the boys play in the park? From 4:30 to 6 p.m. My father worked until 12 midnight. When till which time my father worked? Till 12 midnight. Okay, until 12 midnight. So all these words are called all these are examples of the prepositions of time. So students, I will send you the exercise in a PDF form. Thank you.